Hello everyone. In this video we will see what will happen if I have the same method available in two different interfaces and I am trying to implement two interfaces in particular class. That means multiple interface inheritance rule we can see. So suppose I have another interface which is called idemo2 and in this method I have in this interface I have, let's say, display method, and then I have also default implementation. Just I'll put the name. So here I'll say this is demo 2 and then I'll say first one is demo 1. So I have default method available in demo 2 and then demo 1 as well, but the implementation is different. Now as per the inheritance rule, multiple inheritance supported through inheritance. So suppose if I'll do here idemo 2 and then try to see, right? So here it will say that display method is not available, so just add this display method. But before that, let me just remove this implementation. Suppose, so now it will say to add default display implementation here. So what I'll do, I'll add it. Okay, so this is, so we have to add display here. So I'll write public void display. I'm just overriding it and then I'll say sysout display. This is the unimplemented method that we need to write here, and then I'll write override. That means I am overriding this display method. So as of now, if you will see, show method and display method is being implemented in child class, right, which is fine. And as per rule, default implementation, we don't need to give the definition, or we don't need to override the default method. But here is a catch. If we have the same method name, same default method available in two interfaces, and we are trying to implement it here, in that case you will get error, and it will say that just override the default implementation. Just override the default method here and tell which one do you want to use. So simply you can override. So let's say I can do this thing, override, and then whatever thing I want to give the definition I have to give. That means if we have the implementation of the interfaces and we have default method available in both interfaces or more than one interface, then you have to give your definition here, right? Child class method. So if I will run now, you can see we get child class method. If I will call show method, then show will also print, but the thing is display dis. Alright, so this obj.display will not show since we have created reference of demo 1. Yeah? If I will create reference of demo 2, then I will be able to call display method as well. So here if you will see, with the demo 1, I am trying to access this one. I have given my own definition, but if you want, you can use this one as well by passing the key. So suppose here I can write here idemo2 dot super, and then using super I can call default method. So this is one way if you want to access the implementation of the default method. And if I will run now, you will see I can get message here idemo2 default implementation, although this is also printing because I have written this line. This way you can implement more than one interfaces with default keyword. So you have to implement if we have same default interfaces available in more than one. Hope you get this. Thank you so much for watching the video.